second episode about meme coins on stupid Bitcoin is going to be released on Sunday 24th. Make sure you subscribe to watch the whole episode.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. So we're going to be kicking off things with Bitcoin at the moment, and Bitcoin yesterday had another pump to the upside of nearly $93,818. Now there's one thing I want to warn you, very important thing, and that is if you think Bitcoin is going to hit 100k, I feel like it's not just yet. All right, it is going to hit 100k maybe next year, or maybe even in December, yes, but not now, not in the next 10 days, not in November, not at all. With that being said, there is no doubt that Bitcoin has had an incredible push to the moon, and that is going from 67k all the way to 93,000. We've seen 38% move to the upside. I think it is one of the most perfect time to see Bitcoin absolutely coming down to $77,000. Just a little bit of announcement. I do have a good news and a bad news. I will start off with the bad news. From January 2025, I'll be charging 20 USDT for the private. If you don't know what the private is, check the top right of the video to know what I do in the private. The entry for December will be closed on 31 November. Now you have to message me, and to do that, just head down to the description of the video, click on the Discord, and click on announcement, click my name, and message me. If for some reason the Discord is not working, just comment Discord and I'll generate a new link just for you. Thank you. Let's get back into the video. To go on and fill in the CME gap, you can see that in here, Bitcoin again, the bearish divergence is as clear as the moon. I see that this is the most perfect time to dump Bitcoin. If anyone is taking in a trade, I think you can put your stop losses at 94,143. And from here onwards, this is an opportunity, because there could actually be a drop of 6%. And if it goes down all the way to 77k, we're talking about nearly a 15%. Now 15%, think about the altcoin. We might see 30-40% correction on altcoins as well. So be very careful. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.